What's going on, YouTube land? Welcome back, everybody. And for all the newcomers, thank you for tuning in. I'm Robert from Emerging Underground Productions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get audio out of your DAW and into OBS. Okay, everybody, let me get a show of hands out there who downloaded OBS Studios or Streamlabs, created the audio output capture device, set it up to the outputs of your audio interface, push play on your DAW to not get any audio at all in either program. Well, there's a couple things you can do if you don't have the loopback option that's already inside of your audio interface, which is kind of a fairly new thing. So if you don't have that option without having to come out of your left and right and then back into inputs 1 and 2 and do any of that crap, I got an easy solution for you. It's one plugin that you got to download. It does come in a package, so there's a bonus to downloading this plugin. If you want, you can download all the other plugins, or you can download just the one. I will show you how to do that, and I will put a link to the description down below of what plugin that is and where to get it. Also, if you're finding yourself getting audio either out of just your left speaker or just out of your right speaker, there is a setting in your Windows settings under the sound page, which I will also show you at the end of this video how to take care of that aspect. Hopefully this YouTube video here will give you a little bit more insight into how to get audio out of your DAW into OBS or Streamlabs, as this method will work for any DAW and for Streamlabs or OBS Studio. Let's check out Reaper's website. Here we are in the interwebs on Reaper.fm. Like I said, you do have to download a plugin in order for this to work without having to do any loopback unplugging and plugging stuff in like that with your interface. This is a super easy way right here. Don't worry about how much it costs because Reaper itself is free to evaluate. You do eventually have to pay for it. And their plugins are free. So once you're here at Reaper's website, you want to go all the way down. Go right down here where it says download. Go to RIA plugs. Go ahead, click that. Then right here, you'll see download RIA plugs. Now, depending on whatever your system is, you can download the 32-bit or the 64-bit. Mine, 64, so click that guy. And as you can see, I've already previously installed it, obviously, as I'm doing this video and showing you. So let me show you what that looks like. Go ahead, save. All right. Open it up, click install, and do you want to? Yep. All right, so this is the cool part right here. They actually give you the option to download all of their plugins or only download the RiaStream plugin. I went ahead and downloaded all of them because, well, why the hell not? More plugins, there's fun, more plugins. All right, I'm not going to do that because, like I said, I already have it. So let's move on to the next step. All right, now that you got those plugins downloaded from Reaper, let's go ahead and let's open up an instance of OBS Studio, which I already have done here because I'm using it at the moment. So when you have OBS Studio open, what you want to do is in the sources part right down here is you want to go ahead and hit the plus sign, and you want to create an audio output capture device. Name accordingly. I put DAW because that's what the audio is going to be, is the audio from my DAW. Click OK. Now this is where you're going to select the output device of whatever your audio interface is, and mine is the Audient ID 44, and I'm going out of my outputs 1 and 2. Click that. You want to hit OK. All right, so we got one more step in OBS Studio here, and now you want to go over to this channel here that you've created, the DAW channel. You want to click on the little gear here, the settings wheel, and then you want to go down and go to filters. Now this is cool. This is why you downloaded that plugin from Reaper, because in OBS Studio you can actually use third-party plugins, which they call filters. So you got that filter page open, hit the plus sign here, and you're going to go here to the VST2 plugin, click that. Name that whatever you want. I just leave it named that. And right here it says please select plugin. So go down here and select the RiaStream standalone plugin. Go ahead, open the interface. Just make sure it's on receive audio on default. All right, that should be good there. Now let's go into Studio One or whatever DAW that you're using. This should work for every DAW out there. Cool. Now that we got our DAW open, let's go into our plugins page, which on Studio One, it's going to be under Effects. You're going to want to come down, get your Restream standalone plugin, drag it, drop it over to your master on post, and you want to send audio. You want to send it out on local broadcast, channels 2. You can do 1, 2, 0, but just leave it on 2. Let's go ahead and play. Make sure that we're getting audio into the Restream standalone plugin. We should be. Yep. All right. You see it there. Let's check OBS. Boom. There we go. Audio into OBS. That's it. All right, so I don't know if this happened to be coincidence or if I just changed something and I didn't realize it, but after the last Windows update that I accidentally did, the audio kept coming out of the left side of my speaker and I kept having weird things, and like I would have stereo, then I would have half of it. I don't know, maybe I messed it up doing something else, but in case if you run into that issue after you've set up OBS and you start hearing your mic coming out of your left side or any of your speakers, what you want to do is go ahead and go into your settings, little settings wheel there, go here to system, go to sound, scroll all the way down, advanced sound options, click on app volume and device preferences, and make sure that the input that you're using for your mic is turned all the way down, because if it's turned up, you're going to hear yourself coming out of your speaker and you're going to hear yourself coming out of your desktop audio and your mic in OBS, and you're going to have some weird phasing and some weird reverb issues. All right, well, that wraps up today's video on how to get audio out of your DAW into OBS Studios. I hope this video was informative and cleared up any confusion that you had before while trying to do this procedure. If you do have any confusion still, please feel free to leave me a comment below and I will reply to you. Also, if you do like this video or any of my videos, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for future content. All right, guys, always remember to tech it sleazy, and I'm out. Peace.